Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete characters in Character AI. Character AI currently does not provide an explicit delete button for removing characters permanently. However, you can essentially hide the character by making it private or editing its settings. Here's how to do it. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI and log in to your account. Go to the character section here and click on it. After that, at the right hand side of your screen you can see 3 dots on the character. Click on it and click on edit. Now scroll down until you see visibility. Click on the drop down and click on private and click on save changes. While this doesn't delete the character from Character AI server, it effectively removes it from the public view and minimizes its impact. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.